Aloha friends, here we are at the Hilton Village, room T2343. Let's see what's going on in here. We just had the belt guy just dropping right here. I'm just walking in as fresh as you guys. You see on the left, it's the restroom. Farther right here on the left, also a closet with a safe. Iron board. Iron right here, let's see. Toilet in a tub, shower. I was told this room has a refrigerator. We had the coffee. Two queens bed. Pretty good sized TV, maybe 50, 55. And then the balcony. With this view. It's a very nice view, very amazing view of the Waikiki beach. Aloha friends. This is a morning view. It's about 7:30, 8 o'clock a.m. And this is what I'm seeing right here. This is the Waikiki beach. But I think the Waikiki beach is this part, but I think it's more like on the other part, way over there. I can see the waves ripping different right there at this point. I think there's a lot of surfers right there. I see a lot of people right there, or something floating. And temperature feels like in the 80s and maybe like 85, 86. There's more over there. I don't see anybody on boards riding the waves. There's somebody paddling right there. What we can see right here is the sunset, but not the sunrise. Sunrise is on the side or almost to my left. So this is Waikiki, Oahu, Hawaii. Till next time, bye.